A new school year begins in the morning in the Kansas City, Kansas district. KMBC 9's Jackson Kurtz spoke to one mother excited her children are back in school while still worrying about the spread of COVID-19.
It's another school year amid the pandemic, and for many students and parents, it couldn't come soon enough.
With smiley faces and bells and whistles.
Yeah, I miss my friends a lot.
Kansas City, Kansas parent Rachel Russell says sending her kids back for in-person learning is crucial for their growth.
Because that's how she learns best.
But despite the excitement, Russell says there's still concerns about COVID and the low vaccination rate in the county.
That's bothersome. As a parent, you don't know what teachers are vaccinated. You don't know what students, when they're eligible.
The KCK School District says to keep everyone safe this fall, all students and staff will be required to wear a mask.
That is just one step towards ensuring that our kids still get to be in the classrooms.
I think that we know how to keep ourselves safe, and we are concerned about other people though, because other people don't take COVID as seriously as we think they should.
As classes start this month, many parents like Russell hope to keep her kids in school as long as possible and keep them healthy.
As long as our school district listens to the health department, I think we will continue to keep COVID risks down, as well as be able to keep our kids in school.
In Kansas City, Kansas, Jackson Kurtz, KMBC 9 News.
The KCK district says students have to stay home if they have any symptoms related to COVID. Students will also have to wear a mask on the bus. Some breaking news tonight. The Independent School District will require masks for everyone age 2 and older starting tomorrow. That's staff, students, and visitors. Masks will be optional during recess and other types of physical activity. New tonight, Park University now has an indoor mask mandate for everyone, regardless of vaccination status. Masks aren't required when people are eating or drinking or in private office spaces. There are other exceptions for some. The policy in effect until September 7th. As children head back to school, it might be hard to tell what's COVID or what's the common cold. With some similar symptoms, KMBC 9's Alan Shope spoke with doctors about the signs you should look for when your child gets sick.
We usually see a significant number of cases.
But in 2020, Truman Medical Center's University Health had 0 cases of the flu.
You get sick with a fever and a cough, obviously going to have to be tested for both.
The doctor expects that to change this year, but says it all depends on folks wearing or not wearing a mask and whether your child is wearing one in a classroom.
If the kids are wearing the mask in the schools, like what's recommended, that should really cut down on the common cold in the classroom.
He says during the fall, the flu can make kids really sick, and it could be tough to tell if that's a cold or COVID because
they get this overwhelming immune response.
Doctor says the flu and cold symptoms are very similar in kids, but he says if you're trying to figure out if it's that or the common cold, there's one pretty reliable sign.
Fever is really the big thing. You know, fever like a temperature over 100.4, more likely a flu.
He says if there's any questions, it's always better to get tested because he adds it's the same test. And
there's no problem getting flu vaccine and the COVID vaccine at the same time.
He tells parents it can be scary, but says for the most part, they can control a lot when it comes to their family getting sick or not this fall.
You don't have complete control over your health, but you should take control over what you can control. You can wear masks, you can wash your hands, and you can get vaccinated.
In Kansas City, Alan Shope, KMBC 9 News.
Doctors say COVID and influenza tests are done the same way with a single swab test to see if someone has one or both or nothing at all. UMKC will now require COVID vaccinations for all healthcare faculty, staff, and students who have direct contact with patients. They have to be vaccinated by October 1st. There are exceptions for medical or religious reasons. UMKC officials say it's all necessary because of the spread of the Delta variant. And now there's a lack of healthcare workers. A recent study found out that of 114 Missouri counties, 97 counties report a nursing shortage. The head of the Missouri Nurses Association says nurses are leaving the profession because they're tired of seeing the same thing 18 months into the pandemic.
It's harder and harder for them to get up in the morning and go into work and see people dying over and over and over and over again.
Lucas says one solution to the shortage would be for more people to get vaccinated. Tomorrow is the last day for vaccinated Missourians to enter to win $10,000. 375,000 people have entered the state's vaccine incentive program. Fill out the form at covidvaccine.mo.gov/win. There'll be prize drawings in 3 categories. The drawings will happen every 2 weeks starting Friday through October 8th. Missouri's health director says vaccinations have risen almost 50% in the last month. 42% of Missourians are fully vaccinated. It's almost 43% in Kansas, but The national average is more than 50%. The MCC system is helping to vaccinate people this week. The Jackson County Health Department held a vaccine clinic on the MCC Blue River campus this afternoon. Anyone 12 or older could get the shot. Health officials have this message for anyone still hesitant.
Come on in, we'll talk to you, we'll answer any and all questions that you have, we'll help soothe any kind of nervousness or any kind of fears that you may be having. We'll help you through the process.
There are more clinics set for other MCC campuses this week. No appointment necessary.